In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sublimate on a stainless steel water bottle. Hi, I'm Vanessa from DIY Craft Tutorials. For this project, you will need the PYD Life Sublimation Oven, an inkjet printer that you converted to sublimation. Standard ink will not work, you will have to use sublimation ink. My favourite brand is Hippo. Sublimation paper, I have used both these brands and have gotten really good results. When you purchase the oven, a heat-resistant glove, heat-resistant tape and shrink wrap sleeves are all included. A heat gun. Stainless steel water bottles. This box is really nice because it shows the time and the temperature that you'll need for it, and this is a pack of 4. It is double-walled, has a pop-up lid and comes with a handle. It feels like a really high-quality stainless steel water bottle, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it sublimates. I designed this wrap in Adobe Illustrator. The print area dimensions were also printed on the box, which is very helpful. You always need to remember to mirror your design or the text will be backwards. Go through and cut out all the pieces, leaving enough space around the design. A little trick I have learned is to mark the center of the water bottle while it is closed. This will help you when centering the design, especially if you're not going to do a full wrap. With sublimation, any speck of dust will show up after it's heated, so just make sure that it's clean before wrapping. Now I'm ready to go ahead and add my wrap. You need to pull as tight as possible and then add the heat tape. With sublimation ovens, you need to add the shrink wrap sleeve. This one was the closest size to the water bottle. I put on the heat-resistant glove to save my hand being burnt while shrink wrapping. Next, I turn the heat gun on and you will start to see the shrink wrap shrink. It is so much fun to do. I just go over the bottle until I'm happy with the shrinkage. I set my sublimation oven to 355 degrees for 6 minutes. You'll see a little red blinking light saying run. This will flash while it heats up. Once it is done heating up, which is about 3 or 4 minutes, you'll hear 5 beeps, which is your sign to put the bottle in. Don't press any buttons, the counter will automatically start the countdown. Once it is done, it will say end and beep. It is really hot, so I put the gloves back on and sit the bottle on my heat mat. As the shrink wrap cools down, it becomes harder to remove, so I tried to remove it quickly. Be careful not to chip the coating if you're using sharp tools like I am. Now I can finally remove the tape and paper and see how well it is transferred. I'm pretty happy with the result. The design is crisp and vibrant. There is no ghosting and it looks really good. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link to everything in the description box of this video. I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create something just like this. Let me know if you have any questions and I will see you again in the next tutorial.